Greetings of peace, and thanks for tuning in. Much thanks to the two people that donated to me, so very much appreciated to them. They gave about a dozen Theta each, so that gave me the motivation to make this video. So thanks to them, you guys are getting this updated video. Now, normally I wouldn't be making this video because I do not have a new crypto dream to share with you guys, but I do have some very important updates for Theta that I want to discuss. Now, the dreams are still in play, and we'll get to that. Um, we're also going to be talking about Bitcoin, but we're going to save Bitcoin to the end of the video. Just because the seems like the Theta community is a little bit more generous than the Bitcoin community, so we're going to prioritize Theta in this video. But first, we're going to take a look at some of my previous dreams that have already come to pass. Now, these are documented and published here on YouTube if you want to see the receipts. But we'll just go quickly over them here to give us a good foundation for any new viewers and to refresh our memories for those that are aware of these already. So we had a dream here at 15.6K, which was the Bitcoin bottom, showing a move up to about 25K, which came to pass. And then I had about 4 dreams in total here, moving up to 55K plus, which occurred. And then I had another dream here showing a big move up, which looked to be about 90 to 100K roughly. I said maybe it could go a little higher than 100K, which it has now. And then we're going to make this triangle formation here and then have the big crash down to about 23K Bitcoin. Now with Theta, I also had dreams about Theta. Specifically, this one we're going to talk about here in this dream here is most pertinent to the present moment now, which was a dream from 310 coming down, making a rounding bottom up to 340, moving up. And I said, we could come down to about $1-ish because we had a liquidity here around $1, or we could come down to 55 cents here. And then I saw other dreams coming up to about $8, a Theta and a zigzag move up and down all the way up to $8, and then ultimately I saw another dream going to about $12 to $13 top with a big crash down. I think that does correlate with the big crash down here. So we're going to be looking at Theta first, and we're going to be looking at the dream I had, because it's most pertinent to what time we are now, from the 310 to the 340 move here. So I saw it come down from 310, making a rounding bottom, making higher highs and higher lows. Higher lows and higher highs up to $3.40 plus. But that didn't seem to happen here. We got stopped out at about $3.35, I believe, on this exchange here, which I think is Bybit. It could have went higher in other exchanges. I didn't really look into it, but I was expecting it to go more higher than that from the feeling I had in my dream. So this could possibly be a fake out, as many patterns do repeat in the charts, and we could be making that pattern now. So I believe there's 3 possibilities that could have occurred here. So first thing was maybe this was the dream that I had, but it didn't play out exactly because we were in an alternate timeline possibly. Second possibility is the dream is playing out now, and we could be going as low as maybe 55 cents or maybe even a little bit lower or higher, depending, because Bitcoin is looking like it's coming down from its high here at about 110 K Bitcoin, coming down to 70K. And so Bitcoin's got more room to come down. So does Theta have more room to come down. Now there is a big liquidity area here, as I did mention in this previous, that we could come down as low as 55 cents for Theta because there is a liquidity here. So we could grab that liquidity possibly, making a rounding bottom, and then my dream being fulfilled as it surpasses $3.40. And the third possibility is that this isn't playing out. This is not going to be my dream, but it's going to play out at a later time. So those are the three possibilities. Now I'm going to say I'm going to go with number two possibility because um, we still haven't got the alt season. Now we could be getting the alt season move, which is probably going to be a few months, maybe 2 to 4 or 5 months possibly, and that could be playing out here from the C to D wave here. We could be getting a support here at 70K at Bitcoin as old resistance becomes new support. We get that bounce from 70K roughly. Now you could go a little bit lower than 70K. We might not hit 70K because of alternate different timelines, but roughly about 70K. We get that bounce. Alt season happens. We get that rounding bottom. We come down maybe to 55 cents here, make that rounding bottom. We get higher lows and higher highs. We get the breakout. Boom. We're off to the races. And make sure you take your profits on the way up. Now I give a take profit zone here from 11 cents to 13 cents because there could be different things at play. We could be an alternate timeline with slight variations. So make sure you are taking your profits, especially after getting big moves. You could buy the dips, however you want to play it. But the most important thing that I want to emphasize here is to prepare for the big crash. I don't want people to lose all their money and not have anything to buy when it comes down here. Same with Bitcoin. It looks like the next bottom is going to be around 23K per Bitcoin. The altcoins are going to be hit much harder, and Theta could come down very cheap. I'm not exactly sure how low we go, but we go pretty low, and I'm sure many altcoins will get completely wrecked and probably cleanse the alt market of a lot of useless altcoins. So that's the most important thing. You want to get your profits. You want to be patient. Patience is huge. Even for scalp trading, patience is very important. Even with scalping, you need to be patient when you're going to make your trades. And for long-term plays, like my dreams are, they're more long-term. They take a year to years to play out. But it's very important that we've got some cash on the sidelines to take advantage of when things are cheap. Okay, so now liquidity as the market maker. I want to explain something about the market makers. They're always trying to grab liquidity. As we see from the bull market here, we've got all this short liquidity here, which was scooped up here. Okay, all that short liquidity was scooped up, and then we made another higher high. We made a new high for Bitcoin here. And it looks like we're making a pattern to pick up the liquidity that's all down here as well. And we'll start a new cycle once we bottom out. Most likely at 23K is shown in this dream here, with the bounce up to 27K roughly. Unless I get a new dream that shows me otherwise. This is looking at the new bottom for Bitcoin. I did hit the Bitcoin bottom here at 15.6K, so I think it's safe to presume that this is possibly the next Bitcoin bottom. Stay subscribed and tuned in for when I get new dreams. Keep you guys updated when they happen. Now I usually don't make update videos like this about my dreams. If I get a dream, I'm gonna post it for you guys because there's people out there that need an edge in the market. They don't have, they don't have a lot of money. They're learning, they're growing, and they need something to help them. Give them an edge in the market to not make them lose their shirt. A lot of people that are new make a lot of money and then they lose it all because they never take profits. So that's why I want to emphasize the most important thing is to take profits on the way up. You never know what's going to happen, alternate timelines, whatnot. So make sure you're taking profits on the way up and having a some significant cash on the sidelines or whatever you got to trade or invest to pick up when things are low. Now, I don't have the time to make these updates and stuff like that for my dreams. Unless I see more support from the community, I will be always giving you any new dreams I get from God. That's for sure. If God reveals a dream to me, God is the only one who knows what's going to happen in the future. That's why we say God willing for anything to happen in the future or tomorrow. We say God willing because it's only God that knows when things will occur. But God has revealed dreams to me that have been coming true, so I have been publishing them here on YouTube to help those to help themselves to be more, because God wants ease for us. That's why God invented cars. First horses to get around more easy. Now cars, washing machines, etc., to make our lives more easy. This God wants to make our lives more easy, and to help those to be more financially secure can help you make your lives more easy for yourself and others you care about, and to help in the cause of God as well. If you want to donate and help in the cause of God, I'm going to leave my 2 crypto wallets down in the description box if you want to help out. If I do get more support, I will be making more videos. I have my own, I just don't have time because I need time to trade, I need time to do my work and stuff like that to pay the bills and stuff and take care of the things I need to take care of and to help out my charities in the cause of God that I want to help in. So if you want to help in this situation to help others financially grow, then you can. The people that did donate to me will have, what they've given to them multiplied. God will multiply. This is the law of God. This will definitely happen. Will multiply their wealth and what they give. So this is why I always encourage to give in the cause of God and seeking nothing in return, because this is just how the universe operates, and you will be repaid for whatever you give handsomely and multiplied. So those are the things I wanted to touch in this video. Basically, the dreams are still in play. Possibly this theta dream here from 310 to 340 hasn't played out yet, and we're in the process of that playing out, or at a later time possibly. So I just want to keep that in mind. 70K is probably a good area to long if you're looking to long Bitcoin. I don't see us going any higher than maybe 100K, maybe a little bit higher than 100K, but it's not going to break the top here, according to my dream here. So I'm going to say anywhere from 90 to 100K will be the next local top for Bitcoin. Hopefully the C to D wave will be the alt season run. If we get to over here and we still haven't got the alt season, then I'd just be selling everything, making sure I've got some cash to buy when things become very cheap, especially in the altcoin market. The Theta will rebound here. I saw it rebound. Theta went really low, but it will rebound again. Theta will go very high. I've got my first Theta dream showed me that Theta will hit $50 up to thousands of dollars, and that's in my video selection here on YouTube as well. It's all documented for you guys, so take a look if you haven't seen them yet. Stay tuned, stay subscribed if you want further updates, and until next time, take care, peace.